Hello, and thank you for tuning into the channel and clicking the video. Today we are touring a 3-bed, 3-bathroom home located in the Mclaughlin area of Oshawa. It's an area at the Thornton and Roslyn that does not get a lot of turnover, and you can tell from driving to the neighborhood, homes are nicely landscaped and just a very huge amount of pride of ownership here. This is the listing agent. She let me do the tour of the property. Thank you very much, Janet. I appreciate it. And so we'll get into the tour now. You do have the interlock driveway that's been done, and then the professional landscaped kind of throughout. You got nice mature trees. The roof shingles are in condition. You do have an upgraded, changed recently garage door. And then same thing with the front door there also. Before we get to the front door, we'll just look at all this. You got pot lights in the soffits. Just very nicely maintained. And it's nice when you come across homes like this because it does make a big difference. For those who have never watched the videos before, my name is Brad Gates and I'm a local realtor here. So if you are looking to move to the area and you want that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send that carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest, and I'm more than happy to help. So let's just jump into it. Subscribe to the channel too if you have not already. So you have this nice upgraded type front door. It has the stained glass, and you have a little porch here, and it's kind of open. You do have access to the back there also. So let's just head in and get the tour started. Have the kind of the hallway here, pot lights, and a little area for a nook. And then you'll have your living room on this side, which that's how this is set up here. Good spacious room. It's open to the dining room. Again, good size. You can fit a china cabinet, a large table for those extended gatherings. And then it has a view of the side yard. That's the air conditioner on that side. It's an Armana air conditioner. So the good thing with the Armanas is they're inexpensive to maintain. It's a local, well, more of a local company that the parts aren't too much for them. And they seem to last for a good amount. So yeah, nicely landscaped. You have the interlock over there, nice grass, and then you have a little garden shed at the back there. Walk through, it's all open to the kitchen. You have the granite countertops here with an oak cabinet. And then you have the ceilings, it's hard to see, but they're actually sloping down to give you more of that like custom home vibe, which is nice because it's much higher than normal. And then you also have the skylight there as well. Stainless steel appliances. You have the microwave over the range, and then the black sink, which is not normal. It's nice of an upgrade. Dishwasher on that side, and then you have the fridge over there. Room for the eating area, and then you have a floor, which is like a linoleum flooring, but it's really nice. You have the strip oak hardwood floors, which has the fireplace. That is a gas fireplace, so you don't have to worry about getting any wet certificate or anything like that. It's a gas fireplace. And then here is the yard. You have a gate, a little area for the barbecue, and then more of this interlock kind of going all the way around. Mature trees. Nicely, it's a little bit like of an oasis, home away from home kind of thing. Yeah, it's just nice. It gives you a good kind of vibe back here when you're looking. Doing some landscaping next door there. Again, it's a little quieter. It's locked. Make sure it's locked. Okay. We will start downstairs because it's like an unfinished basement. So they have this landing that's finished. You have carpet, and then you have the laminate You do have an entranceway that goes in from the garage. So you do have a separate. Separated is you have some access on this way, which has the electrical panel, which is all copper. So you just want to note that because when you get into any of the aluminum wiring, stuff like that, it's not always the best because a lot of times insurance companies will give you a hard time. And then the size of the panel, I believe it's a 100 amp panel, which is the minimum requirement. I can't see what's written on there, but it looks like a 100 amp panel. And that's like the rough-in for the alarm. That would have been installed after. Yeah, so it's just not much to know about that. Furnace and hot water tank is on this side. Hot water tank is a mid-efficiency hot water tank. And then you have the furnace, which has the white pipe, which is a high-efficiency furnace. And then the furnace itself has a humidifier on here, which is great for the winter. When it's hot, the furnace dries out the air. So this here puts the moisture back into it. You just gotta make sure the water's on, you have the humidifier on, and that the damper is open. So yeah. I'm on a furnace as well. Looks like it's in good condition. Furnace filters, change them often. It's very important to know that. And then that's the water meter kind of right there. So that's the one side. You have a little bit of a cold cellar here, which is just good for those like stuff you want to store where you want it to stay cool. And you go to the other side and you have a rough-in for a bathroom or a kitchen on that side. And then, yeah, that's the other side there, the furnace. And then you have this big open area, which could be done as a studio apartment or it can just be as an extended living space by finishing it. And then you got just a little workshop type setup there. So that's the basement. Okay, so we go this way and then we have the little powder room. And yeah, oh, it's Brad. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. If you are looking to move here and you need help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest. I'm more than happy to help. If you are enjoying the videos, do subscribe. A huge percentage of people who watch the videos do not actually subscribe. So that's kind of like, if you could do that, that would be great. It's free. It helps my channel grow too. So let's just get back onto the tour. And then you have the closet here, which has the auto light on it. That's a neat feature. And then you have the laundry room, washer, dryer, another little closet there. And then double car garage. So again, side door. And that's the door that actually goes into the basement. Yeah, so you got a good sized garage, double door. You have good height too, so you could hang bikes and stuff on here without it actually hitting your vehicle. So that's always a good feature to kind of have. Okay, so that is the main floor. So let's just go up. You have carpet down on the stairs in the upper hallway and all the bedrooms up here. Gives it that cozy feeling. The windows are in good shape. They're the vinyl ones. They have the quick release, so you can flap it down, which makes it a lot easier for cleaning. And then the roof shingles, can't see it very well there, but from here, the shingles are in good shape as well. So you got some life left on those. Okay, so this is the main bathroom, which has the little seat, the bench or seat in the corner, shower, toilet, and then the sink with the mirror. Then you have the porcelain or the ceramic tiles. This is bedroom number 3. We'll count backwards so that there's a double bed. Just put it in perspective. You do have some room if you needed a queen size. And then you got this huge oversized kind of double door closet here for hanging the clothes and everything. It's the renovation going on next door. And then This is bedroom number 2. So again, double bed. So it's a good size of bedroom. You have tons of space on it here. 2 windows. It does overlook the front. And then again, big double door closet. Again, here you can look at the shingles. Shingles are in good condition. So it's good to just note that, because roof repairs is something that you don't necessarily want to do. And it's kind of an idea of what the street looks like. It's a quiet court, so it's really nice that way. Quiet, you don't get a lot of drive-through traffic. And then this here would be like a little linen closet. Got some shelving there for towels, cleaning supplies, blankets, spare pillows, whatever you choose to put there. And then this here is the master bedroom, or primary bedroom is what it's been changed to. So that's king size bed. So you got tons of space on here. And then you got 3 nice windows here, and then you just have some nice empty wall space that you could put your furniture for. And then you have the walkway into the ensuite. And then you have the closet here as well. Okay. And then, yeah, just more open area for like furniture type stuff. And then this here is the primary ensuite bathroom. So you have the sink with the mirror, toilet, and then you have this big jacuzzi style soaker tub. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. That pretty much does cover the tour. Let me know what you think in the comments. I do appreciate you for clicking on the video and watching this far. Like I said, it's in Mclaughlin area of Oshawa, so it's really good. It's on the Whitby border. You're not far from main shopping at all either. You can go north, south, east, or west, and you're within like 5 to 10 minutes of everything, which makes it super convenient. If you are interested in kind of like a private tour, something like that, don't be hesitant to reach out. Again, thanks for watching. If you are looking to move here and you want help at all, my name is Brad Gates and I am a local realtor here in the Durham region. I've been licensed for 10 years now. Time goes fast. Yeah, so I've helped with tons of people live here, move here, and I've absolutely loved it. So if you want that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. Thanks for watching again. Lastly, please subscribe to the channel. Also like the video and share it with anybody that you know who might be moving to the Oshawa area. Thanks again, and until next time.